What's up everybody, it's Matt with That Jeep Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your rusty leaf springs. We're going to be hitting them with the wire wheel, some primer and some paint to get them looking new again so they would be ready to go under the CJ5 project. Okay, so first things first, we're going to get these pressure washed and get them clean before we hit them with the wire wheel. I just got the leaf springs cleaned up with the wire wheel, so now we're going to hit it with some primer and we're going to let that sit for 24 hours. Our springs have dried up. It's been 24 hours, the primer is nice and dry, so we are about to hit it with some Rust-Oleum satin black and it's going to match our frame, so we're going to get to work on that. So just like that, our old rusted springs are looking brand new again. I had to let the first coat dry overnight because it was real humid yesterday. So I let it dry for 24 hours and then came out today and flipped them over and sprayed the other side and then set it in the sun, and it dried a lot faster today. So since these springs needed new bushings, I opted to go back with factory rubber replacements instead of replacing it with the poly bushings that came in these lift springs. These will offer us a softer ride on the road. They won't be as stiff off-road, but this Jeep's mostly going to be seeing highway miles, so we're just looking for a good ride out of these leaf springs. So we opted for the rubber ones, so we're going to see how these work out. So finally, I got the main eye bushings in. It was a huge pain in the ass, and I'm pretty sure that beating on them with a hammer is not the appropriate way to do it. So if anybody knows the right way to get the one-piece bushings into the main eye, then please comment below, because I still have to do the rear springs, and I would like to make it a little easier instead of beating on it for 30 minutes to get it in there. So the front's done. On to the back next, so put your suggestions in the comments below.